Basic elements of organizing. Job specialization. Definition breaking down overall tasks into smaller parts. Benefits. Proficiency in tasks. Reduced transfer time. Specialized equipment. Easy replacement. Limitations. Monotony and boredom. Fatigue and stress. Job dissatisfaction. Absenteeism and turnover. Vocational diseases. Departmentalization. Organizations often use multiple bases. Bases. Functional. Product. Customer. Location. Reporting relationships. Chain of command. Clear authority lines. Unity of command. Scalar principle. Span of management. Number of subordinates per manager. Influenced by competence. Physical dispersion. Non-supervisory workload. Interaction needs. Standardized procedures. Task similarity. Frequency of problems. Preferences. Distributing authority. Types. Line authority. Direct control over subordinates. Staff authority advisory role. Functional authority. Staff managers can issue orders in their expertise. Centralization versus decentralization. Centralization. Power retained at top. Clear command. Reduced costs. Bureaucracy delays low loyalty. Decentralization. Power delegated downward. Quick decisions, better supervision. Coordination issues, conflicts. Coordination. Definition. Linking activities across departments. Techniques. Managerial hierarchy. Policies and rules. Liaison roles. Task forces. Integrating departments.